Hey guys, this is Bully Sir back with a new video. Guys, in today's video I am going to make you know how you can remove the background of any image using Adobe Photoshop. Let's start our video. Before starting our video, I would request you to please subscribe our channel and like the video if you like it. So what you have to do is to open the Adobe Photoshop. Here I have opened the Adobe Photoshop, and you have to choose an image. Like I have kept the image on my desktop background desktop. What you have to do is just simply drag and drop the image into Adobe Photoshop. Okay guys, here I have just pasted here, Control plus to zoom. Here is my image and I want to remove this background and I want to change this background. Okay guys, here you will get a tool. Click on this brush tool. Here you will get a quick selection tool. You have to select this tool. Okay guys, I've selected this tool and you can see this is a plus. So if you want to increase the size, here you can press the bracket button, or here you can change the size of this. You have to just simply select your image. Like I am selecting, it's very easy here. You can do it in a couple of minutes or a few minutes. Here I've selected my image. Okay guys, completely selected, I think so. My hair is still smashing. Here I've selected the image. So this was our image. I have completely selected this image with the quick selection tool, and now I have to create another layer of this selection. How? So Control plus J to create another layer. Like here you can see the layer is created, and now we are going to select move tool, and here you can see this is what we have selected. So what we have to do next is to create a new page. Here, like I've created one, but I'm here. Click on the file on the top right. Here you have kept the option new. Here I've kept the width 720 and the height also 720. Make sure it's in pixels. Here you can see it's also in pixels, and these things don't matter much, but it has to be in RGB color, red, green, blue. 8 bytes. Okay, so this is the new page we have created. So what we have to do here, we have to just simply drag and drop the image or the layer we've created, selected, to the another page. You can see the size of the image is quite large, so we have to Control minus and Control T for resize. So Control T, and here we are just Control plus Shift, and we are resizing it. Okay guys, here we have enter. It was the image. Now if I want to change the background, like if it is white now, so here you can see the background layer. So double click on the lock and unlock the layer, and here you can double tap on the white, and here you can go into color overlay, and here you can see the red background, and you can change the color here like blue if you want to get blue. Okay guys, so this is blue color. If you want, then just click OK button, and here you can see your pic is created. If you want to give another image to the background, so you can give it like the same way. So it was today's video. If you have enjoyed the video and learned something, so if you have liked the video, like it and subscribe it, and come tell me in the comment section about the video. And if you have another question and you want me to make video on the topic, so just drop it in the comment section. So it was today's videos. Thumbs up.